Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm diving into an in-depth review of the Vantrue S1 Pro, a dual dashcam system designed to provide comprehensive front and rear coverage for your vehicle. With features like 2.7K front recording, 1080p rear recording, Sony Starvis sensors, and built-in GPS, the S1 Pro aims to offer high-quality footage and reliable performance. But does it live up to the expectations? Let's find out. Also, the link to this dashcam will be included in the video description below. The build quality of the S1 Pro is impressive. Both cameras are constructed from durable materials, giving them a sturdy feel. The buttons on the front camera are tactile and responsive, allowing for easy navigation through the menu. The mounting brackets provide a secure fit, and the adhesive pads ensure the camera stay in place even during bumpy rides. One notable design feature is the placement of the power in and rear camera USB-C ports on the same side of the front camera. While this design keeps cables organized, some users might prefer having ports on opposite sides for more flexible cable management. Installing the Vantrue S1 Pro is straightforward. Begin by mounting the front camera on the windshield, preferably behind the rear view mirror to keep it discreet. Use the provided USB-C cable to connect the camera to the car charger. Next, run the rear camera cable from the front camera to the rear of the vehicle, hiding it along the headliner and trim for a clean setup. Attach the rear camera to the rear windshield using this adhesive mount and connect it to the cable. For those interested in utilizing the parking mode feature, a hard wiring kit is available separately. This kit allows the dashcam to draw power directly from the vehicle's fuse box, enabling continuous surveillance even when the car is turned off. The Vantrue S1 Pro is equipped with Sony Starvis sensors in both cameras, promising enhanced image quality, especially in low light conditions. During daylight, the front camera records at 2.7K resolution, delivering sharp and clear videos. Details such as license plates and road signs are easily recognizable. The 160-degree wide-angle lens ensures a broad field of view, capturing multiple lanes without distortion. The rear camera records at 1080p, providing adequate coverage of the rear surroundings. While the resolution is lower than the front camera, it still captures essential details effectively. At night, the performance remains commendable. The Starvis sensors enhance low light capabilities, reducing noise and improving clarity. However, some users have noted that the difference between having HDR on and off is minimal. This observation suggests that while the sensor is capable, the HDR functionality might not be fully optimized. The 2-inch LCD screen on the front camera displays a user-friendly interface. Navigating through settings is intuitive, with options to adjust resolution, loop recording intervals, G-sensor sensitivity, and more. The Vantrue S1 Pro also offers Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing users to pair the dashcam with the Vantrue app available on both Android and iOS devices. Through the app, you can view live footage from both cameras, download and share recordings directly to your smartphone, and adjust settings without using the physical buttons. The app's interface is straightforward, and the connection is generally stable, making it convenient to manage recordings and settings on the go. By the way, prices on this dashcam update almost weekly with sales and other general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, simply check out the video description and you'll find the latest prices. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. The integrated GPS module logs your vehicle speed and road data, embedding this information into the video files. The feature can be invaluable in the event of an accident, providing precise data about your vehicle's movements. Additional features include parking mode, which monitors your vehicle when parked and records if motion or impact is detected. Note that this requires the hard wiring kit for continuous power. Loop recording ensures continuous recording by overwriting the oldest files when the memory card reaches capacity. The G-sensor automatically detects sudden impacts and logs the corresponding footage to prevent it from being overwritten. Vantrue has a history of providing firmware updates to enhance performance and add new features. For instance, a firmware update released in June 2024 addressed issues like display ghosting and added compatibility with the RC07 low-light rear camera. It's advisable to regularly check for updates to ensure your device operates optimally. Customer support is responsive, with multiple users reporting positive interactions. Whether you need assistance with installation, troubleshooting, or warranty claims, Vantrue's support team is readily available to help. Now, the Vantrue S1 Pro excels in high-quality video recording, especially during daytime. The durable build and compact design make it easy to install and use. The user-friendly interface and app integration enhance convenience, while the integrated GPS provides speed and road tracking. Vantrue also offers responsive customer support and regular firmware updates to improve performance. On the downside, the HDR feature does not seem to significantly enhance video quality, indicating room for optimization. The placement of both power and rear camera ports on the same side might affect cable management preferences. The rear camera resolution is limited to 1080p, which is lower than some competitors. When compared to similar models like the Viofo A229 Plus Duo, several distinctions emerge. The S1 Pro offers a 160-degree front lens, while the A229 Plus has a 140-degree lens. The A229 Plus provides a 2K rear camera with a Starvis 2 sensor, whereas the S1 Pro's rear camera is 1080p without Starvis technology. The A229 Plus features a built-in GPS antenna, while the S1 Pro uses an external module. These differences highlight the importance of prioritizing which features matter most to you, such as field of view, rear camera quality, or GPS integration. The Vantrue S1 Pro is a robust dual dash cam system that offers excellent video quality, a solid build, and a suite of useful features. While there are areas for improvement, such as HDR optimization and rear camera resolution, the overall performance and reliability make it a strong contender in this category. If you're seeking a dependable dashcam with comprehensive coverage and user-friendly functionality, the Vantrue S1 Pro is definitely worth considering. So guys, let me know in the comments, are you planning to pick up this dashcam or are you going to stick with what you already have? That's it for this video guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful, and make sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on this dashcam. See you in the next one.